Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are going to start a new chapter which is chapter 5, the way the word look. In this chapter, as the name is suggesting, the way the word look, how the word is looking, the things which we are seeing in the word, how they are looking from the three different views, like how what is the front view of the picture, top view of the picture, and the side view of the picture. Let's start. Different pictures have the different front views, side views, and top views. So first of all we have a house, right? We have a house. This house has, this is a hut, a hut has a front side. If we enter the in the house, the door side is the front side, right? So our front view is the that that side, where the door is there, right? So this is the front view. Next is the side view. Side view is the this window area, right? So this is the side view of the hut. And if you watch the hut from the top side, you will see that the house will look like this, right? So there are the three different views of the a single hut: front view, side view, and top view. Similarly, you can see a glass having, if you see the side view, to side view and the front view are the same, so that's why we are not making the front view of the glass. Side view is also the same, and if we see the glass, it looks like this, right? And if you watch the glass from the top, you see the top view is like circular, right? So this is the top view and this is the side view. Top view means you are looking the picture from the upper side, right? You are looking the picture from the top, right? And the picture with the in the lower side, right? And if you seeing from the front view, when you are looking for the picture from the in front of, सामने से अगर आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो that picture is known as front view. And आप जब आप ऊपर से किसी पिक्चर को देखेंगे तो that picture is known as top view. You have to look the any picture from the top view. ऊपर से देखना है आपको कि उसका शेप किस कैसा दिखता है आपको, right? Similarly, we have a different pictures, like we have a brick. So brick, if you see brick from the top, you will see that portion where something is written on the brick. So this is the top view. And if you look from the front, it would look like a small rectangle. And if you look from the side, you look like the bigger rectangle, right? Similarly, there are many pictures having different shapes and different top views and side views. Okay, so here is a bottle having, here is a bottle which is the side view is the bottle, so we have to match up, right? And here is the top view of the same picture, right? First we have a bottle. The bottle having side view is this. When we see the bottle from side, bottle will look like this. And if you see the bottle from top, you see the bottle like this, right? So it is given. Next is a weight of 5 kg. And if you look it from the side, so what you see like this picture. And if you see from the top, you get a 5 kg is written on the your weight. Next is a flask. And if you see from side, the flask is look like this. And if you see from the top, you will see like flask is having a circular and with a thread, like इसका जो आपका इसका बॉटल का जो स्ट्रिप है, that will be attached with the circular. Next is a cup and saucer. If you look cup and saucer from the side, you see that the picture is like this. This is the side view of the cup and saucer. And if you see from the top, you get this is like this, having a plate and a cup holding, right? So this is also with the cup is also shown in the front top view. Next is a container. A container, if you see this container, you see from the side, so you get the pictures like this. You will get from the side view. And if you see the top view, will look like a cap, square or rectangle having a cap on the circular cap, right? So these are the different views of the some pictures. So you have to, what you have to do is, you have to look the picture from the front view, सामने से देखना है आपको, साइड व्यू आपको साइड से देखना है कैसा दिखता है, एंड द टॉप व्यू, यू हैव टू सी द पिक्चर फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. So how the object is looking, and you have to draw it in your notebook, right? So I am giving you a worksheet, and you have to just watch the top view, side view, and front view of the picture, and you have to draw it, right? So that's all for today. Thank you.